Hi guys, this is Ilan from Tel Aviv. Thank you for visiting my channel. In this video I'm talking about a small little card that many Israelis have in their pockets. And this card is the so-called Rav Kav card. And you need it if you want to go from place to place by bus or train. In this video I tell you how to get it and how to use it. Before we start with the video, please make sure to thumbs up this video and to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Israel and Tel Aviv related content. Let's start with the video.
Where can you get the card? You can get the card in train stations, in the central bus station in Tel Aviv, in many tourist information centers and in Ben Gurion airport. You don't get it on the buses. As a tourist arriving in Israel, I recommend that you purchase the card directly at Tel Aviv airport upon arrival. You can get it there in Terminal 3 in the arrival hall at a special stand of the Transportation Information Center. It is next to exit gate 1. You also can charge it there, and if you want to use the train from the airport, buy a ticket with it and take the train to your destination, for example to Tel Aviv or to Jerusalem. If you need help, you can ask at the counter. Which type of Rav Kav should you buy? There are two types available, a personalized card and an anonymous card. As a visitor, use the anonymous card for a one-time payment of 5 shekels. That's the equivalent of a little over $1. How much is a ride? For 550 shekels. You can take as many buses as you like within Tel Aviv or Jerusalem, as long as you don't exceed a 90-minute time frame. In Jerusalem you can also take the light rail. For longer rides, just tell the bus driver your destination and he will debit the correct amount. Where can you charge the card? You must load your card with money before boarding. A card can be loaded with as much as needed. You can charge the card at train stations and in the central bus stations. It's very easy. You can change the language to English. There are also many drugstores like Super Farm or Good Farm and some kiosks who charge the card. Just go to a drugstore and ask. If you can't charge it there, they will tell you a place where you can do it. How to use the card? In the bus, you tell the driver your destination. You insert the card into a reader and the amount for the route will be debited. You will then receive a receipt for the paid journey. It is important to know that the ticket is also saved on the Rav Kav, no matter if you go by bus or train. When you are controlled, you show the Rav Kav, which is then scanned. In the light rail, you hold your Rav Kav to a validator. The amount will be automatically deducted from your Rav Kav. It is always the same amount within cities, so it is not necessary to specify the destination. In the train, you go to the ticket machine, buy a ticket, pay with a Rav Kav. You can also pay the ticket with your credit card. At the same time, the purchased ride will be loaded onto your Rav Kav. To get to the platform, hold your Rav Kav against a barrier which will then open. You do the same if you want to get out of the train station at your destination. Here are some additional hints. It is difficult for tourists who do not speak Hebrew to read the bus timetables. I recommend searching in Google. That works to some extent. You can also ask other people who are waiting at the bus stop. The people are really all friendly and happy to help. I have had nothing but good experiences. Trains and buses don't operate from Friday morning to Saturday evening. This is especially important if you arrive at the airport in Israel during this period. You need to take a taxi then. If there is money left on the card at the end of your trip, you cannot unload it. Perhaps just give it to an incoming tourist as a gift or keep it for your next visit to this beautiful country.
Guys, are there still any questions or do you have additional information? Please write me in the comment box. Visiting Israel, I wish you a lot of fun in this beautiful country. If you like the video, please thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.